Do you know why the poor keep getting poorer and the richer just keep getting richer? It's because of one word, one secret. One word that'll get your skin crawling and thinking that it's a scam and to get you a turnoff. That word is called opportunity. The reason why wealthy people become even more wealthy is because they jump at opportunity. Now you're thinking, who is this person and why is he yelling at me? Well, my name is Markus. I am an investor and Forex trader. I help entrepreneurs multiply their money on the foreign exchange market, the largest financial market in the entire world. What are you doing? Probably sitting at home watching YouTube like you are right now, maybe Netflix and chilling, while I'm over here on the charts, securing the bag. You could be a part of this. We're in a recession. The most amount of millionaires are born from struggle. Are you going to be one of them? If you are, click the link below. Let's get started in our iconic program. And I'll see you at the top because the bottom is too crowded.